This is the dryer system we have designed for final year project. This is the chamber unit we have, and already we have included fresh pepper into 2 trays since this is the off season, so we couldn't find more fresh pepper to test within the system, so we have find out 2 kilos and we have included those in two trays. And this is a special feature though we have included in our system for the testing whether the things are going okay within the chamber and for the servicing purposes. And this is the sensor we have used, and these are the dampers we have used to divide the inlet air into 4 equal areas, and these thread bars, vertical thread bars as you see, are used to control the damping position within the chamber unit. And this is the heating unit we have used, and here the 2 heaters are included in the heating unit with the capacity of 2100 watts. And this is the fan. It has 30 watts capacity, and it is with a CFM of 320. And this is the fresh air inlet door we have used in our system, and within the first operation of the system we need to open this door in order to give some fresh air into the system. After some time operation we can close this door and we can start the operation. And this is the duct line we have designed for our system in order to recirculate our heated air system. And this is the moisture trapping unit we have included. This is a special thing we are going to test within our system, where we are going to do some research and testing whether we can remove the moisture in heated air by using simple moisture removal techniques. Here we have included some small pillows in a set of big pillow, including some silica gel and cobalt chloride, and we are going to test our system with this moisture removal system. And this is the special feature we are going to use here. And this is the air outlet door where the heated air can be taken out from the system where if we needed. And after that I'm going to start our system. And this is the controlling unit we have included, and this in controlling unit we have used a PIC microcontrol, and we are going to control our system's temperature, time, things like that. So I'm going to start our system. When the starting of the operation, the red color light indicates the off of the system, and when I switch on the system, fan unit starts on and it is indicated the system is on, and all the 3 bulbs are on, we are indicating 2 heaters, and the fan is operating, and the temperature is displayed, and the time where the system runs also displayed. And this is the display of humidity, since we don't have humidity controllers and humidity sensors, so we couldn't do this part in our system. And after 1 hour of operation, the system will automatically stop